How Hershey's chocolate syrup is made. From raw ingredients to the final factory product, sweet, smooth, decadent. You've drizzled it on ice cream, swirled it into milk, or maybe just tasted a spoonful straight from the ball. But have you ever wondered how Hershey's chocolate syrup, this iconic kitchen staple, is actually made? From tropical cocoa farms to high-tech American factories, today we're uncovering the fascinating journey of how Hershey's chocolate syrup goes from raw ingredients to the rich, dark liquid we all love. This is the complete process revealed. The heart of any chocolate product begins with one thing: cocoa beans. Hershey sources its cocoa mainly from West Africa, particularly Ghana and Côte d'Ivoire. Here, small farmers grow cacao trees, which produce cocoa pods. Each pod contains 20 to 50 cocoa beans surrounded by a sweet pulp. After harvest, the beans undergo fermentation, a crucial step that transforms bitter raw beans into flavorful ones. Then, they're sun-dried, sorted, and packed into sacks to be shipped to processing centers. Once they arrive in the U.S., the transformation begins. At the Hershey chocolate plant in Hershey, Pennsylvania, the beans first go through rigorous cleaning. Debris, shells, and dust are all removed using sieves, vacuums, and magnets. Next, they're roasted, each batch roasted to a precise time and temperature depending on bean origin. This develops their rich aroma and deep flavor. Then, the beans are cracked open, and the shell is separated from the nib, the valuable part inside. The nibs are ground under heavy rollers to form thick chocolate liquor. No, not alcohol, this is pure, molten cocoa, the foundation for chocolate syrup. Once the chocolate liquor is created, it can be split into cocoa butter and cocoa solids. But for syrup, we need the full flavor of the cocoa solids. To make the base syrup, Hershey blends chocolate liquor with sugar and sometimes corn syrup to enhance sweetness and consistency. The key is balancing enough sweetness without overpowering the cocoa taste. This blend is then homogenized into a smooth paste and cooked in massive stainless steel kettles, stirring constantly to prevent burning and ensure even texture. Though not as creamy as chocolate milk or bars, Hershey's chocolate syrup still contains elements of dairy to round off the flavor. Depending on the product line, ingredients like skim milk, whey, or even malt extract may be added. For sugar-free varieties, Hershey substitutes artificial sweeteners like sucralose or acesulfame potassium. Vanilla extract, salt, and natural flavorings are then introduced to enhance and balance the richness of cocoa. This is where chemistry meets culinary artistry. With all ingredients blended, the syrup is now cooked to reduce excess moisture and thicken the consistency. This process is carefully timed to reach the perfect viscosity. Once cooked, the hot syrup goes through a series of fine filters to remove any remaining particles. It then enters a heat exchanger system to cool down rapidly and safely, ensuring the product is smooth, shelf-stable, and ready for packaging. Once cooled, the syrup is transferred to the filling line. Hershey's iconic brown bottles are sterilized using high-heat steam jets before being lined up on high-speed conveyor belts. The product heads to grocery stores, vending machines, online distribution centers, and eventually, your kitchen shelf. Even with automation, skilled workers supervise every step, from operators on the floor to food scientists in labs, ensuring nothing leaves the factory below Hershey's gold standard. From soda fountains in the 1940s to today's milkshakes and hot cocoa mugs, Hershey's chocolate syrup has become an American icon. It's more than just dessert topping, it's part of family traditions, childhood memories, and holiday recipes. Its taste, branding, and legacy have remained largely unchanged for decades, a testament to the power of consistency and quality. So next time you twist open a bottle of Hershey syrup and drizzle that glossy stream of chocolate onto your dessert, remember, it's not just syrup, it's a result of global farming, precise science, and over a century of chocolate-making passion. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of food production.